We went to Orlando, Florida last summer with my husband and my 2 kids. Actually, we wanted to go to Disney World for my kids, of course, and we were also looking for a place to stay. And we found online orlandovacationhomes.com. I can say the website has great pictures of the houses. We choose Windsor Magic with 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, very close to Disney, very modern, very clean. The house was really amazing, more than we expected, which was wonderful. The house was fully equipped and the style was amazing. I love it. You know, the service was excellent, very friendly, very good. We were very happy with them. And you know, my kids were very happy with the pool. They were enjoying it very much, and our stay was really wonderful with the house and with the park Disney. So I would like to recommend these houses, orlandovacationhomes.com. Also, it is very important to mention that it is the only Orlando Vacation Homes. So visit the page, you won't be disappointed. The houses are great. Ciao.